Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll soften our inner critic, learning to hold ourselves in a more loving and compassionate light. Find an easy sitting position. Gently close your eyes and notice your posture. Adjust your seat so you can root down through your sitting bones and lengthen your back. And use just enough effort to sit up straight, keeping your body relaxed. Allow your shoulders to soften, and let your hands rest comfortably on your knees or thighs. And as you settle in, let go of your day. Let go of commitments, your expectations, your worries. Let go of distractions as you invite your full self into this practice. Now, direct your attention to your breath. Let your breath be effortless and natural. Instead of changing or manipulating it, observe your breath exactly as it is. And begin to notice what it feels like to breathe. Are your inhales and exhales balanced? Is your breath long or short? Is it deep or shallow? Does your breath feel warm or cool? Smooth or rugged? Just staying with your breath, noticing its qualities without judgments. And without creating tension, let your breath move all the way down into your belly on your inhales. Noticing your belly softly expanding. And let your belly relax completely as you exhale. Belly gently expanding on your inhales. Belly gently releasing on your exhales. Breathing in, belly rises. Breathing out, belly falls. And whenever you notice your mind drifting into thought, lovingly guide yourself back to the ebb and flow of your breath and the gentle movement of your belly. Every time you bring yourself back without judgment, you are developing self-acceptance and quieting your inner critic. Lovingly observe how your mind is wandering, and releasing the need for perfection or the tendency to judge, bring yourself back to your inhales and exhales with ease and tenderness. Keep tapping into self-acceptance and return to your breath again and again. Feel your breath flowing in and flowing out. Your belly gently expanding and releasing. And now, let your attention soften. We've all been there at some point, preventing ourselves from trying something new or berating ourselves for a mistake as we hear that familiar voice pop up. I'm going to embarrass myself. There's something wrong with me, or I'll never be good enough. Our inner voice can be a powerful force of motivation, just as it can create havoc, keeping us from moving forward. Our thoughts determine both how we feel and how we behave. And when we're used to being our own relentless self-critic, we can easily become oblivious to the messages we're sending, not even realizing how harsh and self-deprecating we've become. Through our meditation practice, we develop awareness of our thoughts, and we learn to recognize their impact. We see that just because we're thinking of something, it doesn't make it true. We also learn to stop ruminating or exaggerating as we gradually accept things as they are, both in our inner and outer worlds. This creates space for more clarity. So when that harsh voice pops up, we can practice self-compassion and self-acceptance. Rather than saying, "I never do anything right," we might say to ourselves, There are times I do things really well, and other times I make mistakes. And remember, even though your inner critic can help fuel self-improvement, harsh and negative dialogue is harmful and counterproductive. So the next time you catch yourself thinking you're not good enough, remember that your thoughts don't define you. Take a few deep breaths, drop the judgment, and from a place of self-acceptance, embrace your imperfections as part of what makes you uniquely you. Now, gently return to your breath. Notice how you feel. Observe any sensations, any emotions, and give yourself permission to notice your experience exactly as it is. Now, take a deep inhale and a slow exhale. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this session. See you again tomorrow.